Good morning. Today we are going to solve one objective question. It is asked in JEE exam. Let us solve this. The potential difference across 3 ohm resistance is, okay, a circuit is given and we have to calculate the potential difference across 3 ohm. That means we have to find out the potential difference in this resistance only. Current is given, but this current is dividing into 2 branches. Okay. That means we don't know how much current is flowing across this. Through this we don't know, and through this we don't know. But 2 ampere current enters at this point. Let us name this A, this junction, and let us name this junction as B. Okay. 2 ampere current enters at A. Okay. And it divides into 2 parts, one along this part and one along this part. Okay. Current is entering here and current is entering here. 2 ampere divides. We don't know how much is entering here, how much entering this. For that we have to find out the resistance of this arm, this AB, and that means I call this as a upper arm and this one a lower arm. We have to find out the resistance of this upper arm and this lower arm. Then only we can find out how much current is dividing in this branch. For that, here there are 3 resistances are there. For that we have to find out the resistance. For that, before doing that, we have to find out these 2 resistances. These are in parallel. Therefore, here it is A means here also it is A, because both are same. Okay. And here also you can put, because it is connected here only, therefore you can put A only. Here you can put D or C. Here I am going to put C, therefore, okay. Now in this branch AC, what will be the resistance? These 2 are in parallel. Therefore, what you will get? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 equal to resistance across AC. We have to find out resistance across AC. Therefore, here it is 6. Therefore, here 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. 3 by 6 equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2 ohms. Okay. 2 ohms between A and C. And CB, okay, it is also, it is 2 ohm. Therefore, the resistance between AB is, okay, resistance between AB is equal to 2 ohm plus 2 ohm, because both this is 2 ohm and this is 2 ohm, both are in series. Therefore, we have to find out which is equal to 4 ohm, okay, between AB. Now, in this upper arm it is AB. Now, resistance in lower arm, that means resistance in lower arm AD equal to, this is only one resistance is there, therefore it is 4 ohm. Okay. That means here current enters and here current enters. That means here one branch and here this is another branch. Therefore, there are 2 resistances. Okay. That means, how can you say, here one resistance is there, 4 ohm, and here another resistance is there. Okay. Therefore, here 4 ohm and here 4 ohm. Okay. That means 2 ampere enters. That means both are equal resistance. Therefore, current divides in equal amount. Here 1 ampere and here 1 ampere current divides. Okay. 1 ampere and 1 ampere. Therefore, 1 ampere enters here, 1 ampere enters here. Okay. 1 ampere enters. Now again there are two branches are there. Therefore, how much current enters between here or through this or through this, we don't know. But both are in parallel. Therefore, potential difference should be same for across 6 ohm and across 3 ohm will be same because both are in parallel. Therefore, we can divide this one into I1 and this one into I2. Okay, we can divide I1, I2. Now, potential difference same I told. Therefore, potential difference same means here I1 into 6 which is equal to I2 into 3. Okay, I1 into 6, that is current into resistance and current into resistance, potential difference. That means what is I2? I2 equal to, okay, 6 by 3 I1, 6 by 3 I1, or I2 equal to 2 I1. Okay. Now, this I1 and I2 is equal to 1. I1 plus I2 is equal to 1 because 1 ampere enters here, 2 ampere enters, 1 ampere is going here, 1 ampere and 1 ampere is going here. Therefore, here this I1, I2 is 1 ampere. Therefore, here if you substitute this I2 value here, okay, if you substitute this I2 value here, I1 plus 2 I1, I am substituting this I2 value here, okay, which is equal to 1, or 3 I1 is equal to 1, or I1 equal to 1 by 3. I1 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. I1 equal to 1 by 3 means what is I2? I2. Okay. I2 equal to 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3 ampere. Now I2 equal to 2 by 3 means then what will be the potential difference? I2 equal to 2 by 3. They are asking potential difference across 2 ohm. Here it is 3 ohm resistance are there. Here this is 1 by 3. This is I1 equal to 1 by 3. Okay, I1 equal to 1 by 3. I2 equal to 2 by 3. If you add these two, you will get 1 only. Okay. Now this is the current, this is the resistance. You have to multiply this. Okay. Therefore, potential difference across 3 ohm is equal to, okay, this is I2. Therefore, I into current into resistance, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 3. Okay, you cancel this, then it is equal to 2 volt. Therefore, potential difference across this 3 ohm resistance is 2 volts. Okay, you got it? How we have to solve this problem? I will explain once more. This is a circuit in which current 2 ampere enters at this point. Here 2 branches are there. One is this branch and another is this branch. Therefore, current divides in this branch, in this point. Okay. In this branch, 3 resistance are there. Therefore, we have to calculate the total resistance. For that, first we are solving this parallel and we find 2 ohm, and this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm are in series. Therefore, which is 4 ohm, and in this lower arm it is 4 ohm. Therefore, upper arm and lower arm both are same. Therefore, current should be equal. Okay, in the upper arm 1 ampere and lower arm 1 ampere. Okay, just I told the here. Okay, 2 ampere is there, here 4 and here 4. Therefore, 1 ampere, 1 ampere. Now we have to calculate current across this. Okay. Therefore, this 1 ampere is entering here. Now, how much amount is going through this, how much amount is going this, because both are different, therefore we are calculating. Okay. After that we are just multiplying this. How we calculate? Potential difference between this and this are same, because both are in parallel. Therefore, I1 into 6, I2 into 3, and we get relation between I2 and I1, and this I is dividing into two branches. Therefore, I1 plus I2 equal to 1, and if you solve I1, I2, then you can get the value I2 equal to this much. Therefore, potential difference across is current into resistance. Okay. Hope you can understand this. Okay. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section, then I'll clear your doubts. Okay. Thank you.